The most unexpected item in my bag is... Hello everyone, I'm Hayley Kiyoko. Are you ready to spill it? So today I will be sharing with you all my daily routine bag. She's a Tumi, she's a rolly. I feel vulnerable sharing this with you. The ideal setting for this bag is every day. I mean, we go to the grocery store together, we run errands, we see friends. I do feel like there's a lot of eyes towards me when I go like to dinner and I'm rolling her in as a +1. But you know, let the judgment come. The most necessary item that I have to carry with me when I'm shooting a music video is probably Advil. I hate to say that that's the first answer that comes to my mind, but you know, you might get a headache and you need it. What does this bag say about me? That I'm like an old man, basically. All right, let's get into this. We're gonna start, there's so many amazing zippers on this bag, by the way, but we're gonna start from the front. So front zipper is my wallet. I also have, I love Charlotte Tilbury. This is like a lip liner. And then I have Tower 28. I don't do much makeup, but like the things that I really like and I wear all the time. This color is called Cashew. Also, this is like really cool. This is Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand High Blush. So this is like great for like when you're out and you just like need a little touch up. So these are awesome. This is one of my favorite zippers. I mean, I'm just like geeking out. Okay, so we have sunglasses. Great for like an impromptu beach, of course. Gonna bring my rolly. Okay, this is like, I know a lot of natural deodorants don't work, but this one is killer. I love this one so much. It smells really good. Midol, you need it. It's just a necessity. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite pen. I don't know if you guys like are like obsessed with pens, but I love pens. People are laughing at me off screen. Tampon. This is my favorite hand sanitizer. I'm sure you guys like found your favorite. This is like the best, Dr. Bronner's Lavender Organic. It's like, it also could just be like a air thing, but it's for your hands. It's awesome. This is, okay, everyone always tells you to wear SPF and no one does it, but you have to because it's just so good for your skin. This is one of my favorite moisturizing sunscreens. It's like a sunscreen and it's slightly tinted. Okay, so here we have my perfume Hue that I just launched this year. I'm so proud and excited about it. I love the color, the cap and how it pops. The top notes, we have blood orange, freesia, there's pink magnolia. When you first spray it, it's very fruity and floral, and then as it dries down, you get more of the musk tones, which is cacao. But what's so amazing about Hue is that when you spray it, it smells differently on everyone. And the way it dries, it doesn't mask who you are, it embraces who you are. And that's why I picked the motto, embrace what makes you you. So I'm really proud of this perfume and gotta wear it. It smells really, really good. I have a highlighter because you can't be a boss without a highlighter. It's just a necessity, just like lip gloss. Here are my keys. It's a lot of doors to open, a lot of doors to close. We have headphones. Okay, so some of you guys will make fun of me because I still have wired headphones, but when you travel, you need this jack. And like how many times you get on a plane and you're like, wow, well, that's not gonna sync up. So thinking about my future self right there. Oh, this is great. This is a crystal. I love crystals. This is a yellow fluorite. It's really good for mental clarity and just empowerment. And so if you go to my house, I have a lot of crystals, so my Tumi has to have a crystal. Oh, Sip, Soothe, and Settle with ginger, peppermint, and fennel. Do you guys think I'm like an old man? Like, I'm not, but I kind of am. We got some little miscellaneous things. We got another tampon. a nice blonde hair tie, an adapter. I mean, I love you, Apple, but like, wow, you gotta carry all these things with you. So adapter, and that's it for this section. Moving on. Oh, okay, this is a sneaky zipper on the bag. This is where my computer goes, but I might keep her in. I'm just gonna do this. And then we're gonna open her. You guys are gonna need a bigger table for people like me. Okay. I mean, the design. Tumi, call me. I mean, just like gorgeous. It's just so well thought out. All right, on to the snacks. We've got Dang coconut chips, tropical mango. Just like, honestly, I need one now. So good, sweet, toasty, and crunch, like they say. These are my favorite cookies. Get back to human grain-free cookies. This is like such a great cookie because there's no added sugar and it's gluten and grain-free, and I can eat it and not be in pain. Yay! Also my favorite chocolate bar. Okay, so this is interesting. I have a really bad shoulder. This is unbelievable. Like, I put it on my shoulder and it just makes me feel so great. If you're in pain or have like an injury, this is bomb. Wisps, Colgate Max Fresh. Great, you know, you just had lunch, just like do a quick little brush. These are awesome to go. These are my Fendi sandals. They're like my favorite sandals, and I don't really love wearing heels. I love heels, but I don't like wearing the heels. And so this is like a great shoe to wear with some cute like high-waisted pants and kind of look like a little more dressed up than just wearing sneakers like I always do. Up next, we have my Contax T3. I love this film camera. I'm obsessed with film. I actually directed my first music videos on film this year for Found My Friends that came out, and Chance that is out. There's something so special and magical about film because when you're shooting and when I was directing the videos, it was like you get what you get. And there's something very stressful but so exciting to create on film. So this is something I keep around and is also great to just capture memories with. I don't know where this strap is from, but it's freaking cute. Smile! Last but certainly not least, the grand finale. My most unexpected item in my bag is my crane. My sister gave me this crane for my birthday, and also my niece, who's 2, and it's one of my favorite things, and cranes are supposed to be good luck, and pink is also my favorite color, so I just keep her around, because why not? She's cute. And that's what's in my bag. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.